Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make German hamburger patties. They are very popular in Germany and you will find them in rolls with potato salad or mashed potatoes or other sides. Depending on the region they are called different names. In the south they are called Fleischküchle or Fleischpflanzerl. In the northern region they go with the names Frikadellen or Klopse. But no matter how you call them, they are very flavorful and can be eaten warm and cold. But now let's get started with the recipe. Break the toast slices into a small bowl and cover them with warm milk. Then peel and cube the onion. Add the ground meat to a large bowl and then add the eggs, pepper, salt, ground marjoram, paprika powder, mustard, garlic paste and the onions. Squeeze excess milk from the toast and add the toast to the other ingredients. You can discard the milk. Mix everything briefly and then add the breadcrumbs and mix until everything is well combined. Shape the meat mixture into balls and flatten them lightly. Heat the Butterschmalz and oil on medium-high heat. Fry the patties for about 10 minutes per side until golden brown. Guten Appetit!